Hey there, welcome back to Ayukashaf YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to flash any custom ROM on Moto G54 and G64. The process is very simple and straightforward, so let's get started. So the prerequisite to flash any custom ROM in Moto G54 or 64, you need to have a PC, no matter Windows, Linux or Mac OS. As you can see, I've downloaded both the files. One is initial setup and the other is the ROM. So first of all, you have to reboot your device and press and hold the volume down button to boot it into bootloader. Then you have to use the volume keys to boot into recovery. It will take a few seconds to boot you into recovery. As you can see, it is showing the bootloader unlocked warning and hello Moto UI as well. And as you can see, it shows no command. You just have to hold the power key and press volume up once, and then you can use volume buttons to boot the phone into fastboot D mode and connect the phone to PC. After the phone is connected in the fastboot mode, you can go to the flashing instructions page and you can read it. Make sure that your bootloader is unlocked, and then you can scroll down and copy the command to flash the initial setup zip. Now you can open the folder in terminal, or you can use platform tools and CMD in Windows. Now you just need to paste the command and type the file name of the initial setup zip. And as soon as you press enter, it will start flashing and it will boot your device into bootloader mode. Now you have to use the volume keys again to boot into recovery, but this time you will boot into InfinityX recovery, or the recovery of whatever ROM you are flashing. It will take a few seconds to boot you into recovery as the last time. It will show you the bootloader unlocked. And as you can see, it booted me into InfinityX recovery, and you can use touch here as well as the volume keys to format the data. First you have to format the data and then you have to sideload the ROM. As you can see, I have formatted the data. Now I will choose apply update and apply from ADB. Now in the PC you have to type the command ADB sideload with the file name of the ROM. And as you can see, the flashing process has started. It will take from 2 to 5 minutes, depends on your computer. One thing to note is that you have to flash the GApps version if you want GApps and vanilla if you want vanilla. You cannot flash another GApp, for example Nick GApp, on top of vanilla build. Also, you cannot flash any other ROM using InfinityX recovery or any other ROM recovery. You have to use that ROM's initial zip. Now when you get the prompt, select no and then reboot the system. You don't have to format the data after flashing the ROM, as the data is already being formatted. And it will again take around 2 to 5 minutes to boot the ROM, depends on the ROM itself. And after waiting for like 15 seconds, it showed me the InfinityX boot animation, and it will boot fine. And after around like 1 minute, it booted me into system and it is showing me the setup process. Now I can set up the device and use it as is. The setup process is completely normal and you can also skip it. Now a few things to note. If you have set up the password in stock ROM, it will prompt you to enter here as it is Google FRP. And I will also link down the update channel for this device in the description. So that is it for today's video. Hope you understood the process. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. I will see you in the next one.